Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting a daily updates on a useful Excel tips and techniques. Today we have a employee attendance data in which we have an employee ID, name, department, their check-in time, check-out time, total hours of their working in an organization, their leave status. So on the basis of this, this is a small data set. So I give an idea about like how the this what kind of questions interviewer asked. So if we have a large data set and if we are working on an employee data set, then how we can get the better insights using our analysis and using the formulas. So our first question is we have to calculate the total hours worked by each department. So in this data set we have in only four departments, that is HR, IT, sales, finance. If there are other departments, so we can add accordingly, or we can make it uh, more analytical, make it more useful for getting a results. So how we can get the total hours? So we use a formula SUMIFs. For it, we first specify our hours range, sum range. What is our criteria range? Our criteria range is the department. And what is our criteria? This is our criteria. We have to fix this range, because if we don't fix, then we don't get the correct answer. This we also need to fix it, and then we close the brackets. Now we get the 18 hours for an HR department, and the IT department works for 9.5 hours, sales is for 8.5, and finance department is not worked anymore, like it's showing 0 hours. So according to this insights, we can provide insights like HR department is more effective, like its working time is more in an organization. So this way we can get the results according to the department, which employees in which department are worked more and in which department the employee are worked less, and why, what is the reason. We can conclude it, like what is the reason behind it and how we can solve it and how it is make it better for an organization, so it is not an issue in an any project or anything else. So our second question is identify the employee who worked more than 9 hours. So we have all the Unix employee. We have only this small data set. So accordingly we perform. We just type a common column name more than 9. So accordingly we can use the if formula, like if what is our if formula? If the employee hour working is greater than 9, then it will be showing as yes, otherwise it will be showing as no. And we drag and drop this value to the remaining cells, and from this we see that we have only this employee who worked more than 9 hours. And who is this employee? This is Bob. Bob in IT department is worked more than 9 hours. So this is our answer for this. We can type here is Bob is our answer. Bob is our result. And what is our next question? Our next question is count the number of employees on leave using a COUNTIF function. So how we can do it? Like we have to count the employees who are on leave. So we can just type here the formula. We want to count the employee. What is our range? Otherwise we can just use the if function. Now we can just go with the COUNTIF. What is our range? This is our range. What is our criteria? Criteria, it should be leave. We want only the employee count who are on leave. So it will count the result from the selected data set, and it provides the total count, how many employees are on leave. So it will provide one. So according to this data set, we identified that we have only one employee who are on leave. All our remaining employees are present. So this way we can provide the insight, and the remaining fourth and fifth question we will see on tomorrow video. So if you found this helpful, do like this video and subscribe for getting more information and getting more techniques and tips how we can use these formulas to get in better insights and how we can perform in a better way in an interview, because these kinds of questions interviewer ask, like this is a small data set, but sometimes the data set is not just in a small, it is big, and it should be big, because in an organization level there are more than 5,000 plus employee, 10,000 plus employees. So this is just a five employee, because five employee or a six employee, it's just a dummy data set, we can say. It's just for a better understanding of an problem statement and how we can approach the problem and how we can get the better results based on it, and how we can solve the results. So I hope you like my videos. So thank you for watching.